Hey everyone, welcome back to another cool video. Today, I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of downtown Dubai. We'll explore some of the most beautiful and famous spots, so stick around till the end for an unforgettable journey. If it's your first time here on the channel, I'm so glad that you're here. I post airline trip reports and travel vlogs, so if you're passionate about exciting travel and in-flight experiences, you are in the right place. So fasten your seatbelts, hit subscribe, and join this incredible tour. Let's get started right here at the iconic Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall, the largest shopping mall in the world by total area, is a premier destination in the heart of Dubai downtown, and it's adjacent to the iconic Burj Khalifa. The mall offers an unparalleled shopping experience with over 1,200 retail stores, including some of the very highest-end luxury brands, international fashion chains, and some unique local boutiques as well. Beyond shopping, the mall boasts an array of entertainment options such as the Dubai Aquarium and an underwater zoo. But today, we are headed towards Souk Al Bahar, a charming marketplace just across the bridge. Isn't this view stunning? From here, you get a perfect shot of the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain. And over there, our next stop is Souk Al Bahar. Souk Al Bahar has a traditional Arabian vibe with its boutique shops and cozy cafes. It's a perfect blend of the old and the new. Now let's head over to the Palace Hotel entrance. And here we are at the Palace Hotel. The entrance is grand and luxurious, and it's right next to Ducilo Park, a beautiful and serene spot to relax. The park features beautiful palm trees, well-maintained walkways, making it an ideal spot from where visitors can enjoy picturesque views of the surrounding architecture, including the nearby Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain. Now I'm walking down Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard. This boulevard is lined with modern architecture, luxury hotels, and a vibrant street life. One of my most favorite restaurants in Dubai, Iran Zameen, is located a little further down this street. After walking for a bit, we've arrived at the Wings of Mexico art installation. Look at the line of people waiting for their turn to take that iconic Instagram shot. This artwork has become a social media sensation, and everybody who comes to Dubai always comes to get this shot. Now, let's cross the bridge to Burj Park. On the right-hand side of the bridge, you can see Souk Al Bahar, from which we came a little bit earlier, so we've made a bit of a circle around. The views from here are just breathtaking, with the Burj Khalifa and the lake right in front of us. Welcome to Burj Park. Over there is the three-finger statue, a symbol of peace, victory, and love. And right next to it, you can see the massive UAE flag and the dandelion sculpture. Don't forget to come back at night and take a look at the dandelion sculpture, which looks especially amazing at night. And another pro tip, Burj Park is an excellent place from which to watch the Dubai fountain shows. It's a little less crowded than the area right adjacent to Dubai Mall. No visit to downtown Dubai, or Dubai in general obviously, is complete without marveling at the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Did you know that its design is inspired by the Hymencallis flower? Just a short walk from here is the Dubai Opera House, an architectural masterpiece and a cultural hub in the city. They host a variety of shows and events, and while I haven't had the luck to go and see anything just yet, I hope to do that in the future. But make sure to check out what's on if you're planning a visit to Dubai. let's continue our relaxing walk around Burj Khalifa Lake. It's such a serene spot amidst the bustling city, perfect for a leisurely stroll or even a boat ride. We're almost back at Dubai Mall, but before we end, take a moment to soak in the beauty of this place. Downtown Dubai truly has a unique blend of modernity and tradition. And that wraps up our tour of downtown Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.